What?
How we doing?
Not too good. He was twisting it. I was like, you gotta pull it and bop it too. Like Fernie's little twin, but not as loud.
This is where the label and shit. Come on, dude. The bottom part is the little one. You got to put that first, then we'll do the inside. Come on, man. Like,
Well, we know who's gonna be an installer and who's gonna be a tech.
this one you gotta meet my fucking. Alright. Do we have gas pressure or not? Didn't get shit on this side. Why not? Put it on. Right.
Ooh, my favorite.